Welcome back to the Traders Expo. I'm your host again, Mark Leibovit, and I'm interviewing actually a good friend of mine now after 1 year, Markus Heitkoetter from Rockwell Trading. And we were talking about how he started with one share of Volkswagen and now has become a professional technical trader. Let's talk a little bit about all your indicators and how you go about doing it.
Right.
What differentiates you from all these other traders?
Nothing. No, here's the deal. I think that you need to find something that works for you. So for me, a combination of 3 indicators works very well. So I swing trade stocks and options, and I day trade the futures markets. And I'm using the same indicators. For me, I use the RSI, I use stochastics, and I use the MACD. And I want to see that all 3 indicators are confirming an entry.
Okay.
Do we need to talk about specific settings? Are you interested in specific settings?
Yeah, it's a trader's audience. So, so what's your ideal setup then?
So I'm looking for an RSI with a setting of 7, and I want to see that the RSI is going above 50. Okay. Now, most say if it goes above 70, I notice it is too late. So as soon as the RSI goes above 50, that's when I see a bullish trend.
Okay.
Now, I like to use the slow stochastics with a setting of 14, and same deal here. I want to see that the slow stochastics crosses above 50. So when both the RSI and the stochastics cross above 50, I'm getting ready. Now the third indicator that I look at is the MACD, with the standard settings of 12, 26, and 9.
Okay.
And here I'm looking for the MACD actually staying above its moving average. So when the MACD crosses its moving average, this is when I like to enter.
So in these instances, we're talking about buys, but the converse on a short?
Exactly the same deal. When the RSI dips below 50, when the stochastics are below 50, and when the MACD goes below its moving average. These are my entry points, and then it's just a matter of managing the trade, managing the exits, right?
This is intraday we're talking about.
I use this both. I use it both for trading at the end of day, so on daily charts, as well as day trading the futures markets.
So would you do 5-minute charts as well, or are you not that close to the market?
Well, when I day trade, I like to use range bars. It's a different concept than these time bars, so I want to see if a market breaks out of a specific range. Now, these settings are different for each market. In the S&P, for example, I like to use a 2-point range. Range bars are fascinating, right? Because here, you're no longer looking at time, you're looking at the price action. And ultimately, that's what I'm interested in.
I'm sure our listeners want to get in touch with you and hear about all your workshops. So let's talk about first how people reach you.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can visit my website at rockwelltrading.com. And actually, right now, I'm doing a lot of live events. So I might come to a city close to you. Check out our website, rockwelltrading.com, and I hope to see you very soon.
Give me a hint of what's the next big conference, next workshop. Where is it going to be?
The next workshop will be in Houston, actually, this weekend. After this, we're going to Orlando, and then in January, we will be back in Orange County.
Okay, so Rockwell Trading is where?
Rockwelltrading.com.
Find out where you go for these great conferences, webinars, seminars?
Live seminars, in person, same as here. This is what I experienced when I first started trading, to learn best in a live environment like this, in a classroom style. So that's more for me, because when I'm watching videos, I hope that you're watching and not doing something else, because that's often what happens. I will catch myself doing other stuff while watching videos. When you are in a classroom setting like here, that's just perfect. You're immersing yourself.
Markus, I want to thank you so much again. It's been an honor seeing you again. Good luck on your conferences. And
thank you so much.
Please go to Rockwell Trading for more information.
Okay.